A worker bee gathers nectar from flowers and transforms it into honey in order to feed the other bees living in the hive. Then comes the beekeeper, collects the honey, and packages it for our consumption. So if honey is produced from the secretion of a bee, which is a non-kosher insect, how could it be kosher? According to halacha, honey is deemed kosher because it is not part of the bee. Honey is a substance stemming from the flower's nectar that is transformed by the bee without any additional ingredient coming from the actual bee. What it comes down to is basically nectar, which is a kosher product that transited through the bee, remaining kosher through and through. However, whether all honeys are kosher remains a discussion, because in addition to the standard flower-based honey, there is also fir tree honey, which is darker in color. Now, fir trees don't produce flowers, and consequently, bees don't have nectar to collect. Fir trees' honey come from the honeydew, which is a thick viscous substance produced by aphids that feed off the tree sap. The bee then ingests the honeydew, either from the branch or directly from the insect. Therefore, the final product we call fir tree or pine tree honey originates from a forbidden insect and is hence not kosher according to the vast majority of opinions. Nowadays, another issue arises. In certain European countries, for instance, some honeys are marked non-originating from the European community. This generally means that they're produced in China, and more often than not, these artificial honeys are made without bees, but rather from glucose or pollen syrup, coloring agents, and artificial flavors. Since the traceability of this kind of honey is not easy to track, determining if all ingredients are kosher is difficult as well. In conclusion, honey produced in Europe or North America is always preferable, as they are kosher without a doubt.